Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Greg here at the RIVETER, which is an insane bike park in Asheville, North Carolina. You can see behind me these gigantic jumps. It's really a dirt jump park, and I've been here before and it was incredible, but I was on my enduro bike, and today I rented this Common Sol Absolute. Shout out to Andorra, which is where those are made. And today what I want to do is touch them all. Everything that's open I want to hit. So I think that's going to be everything in the Canopy, which are gigantic jumps and drops. And then outside I hope to do the green line at minimum. See if I can get some air time. So let's ride. All right, so the first three things we want to do is try to hit these drops. Not a lot of running, so we'll see what happens. And I don't really know where to stop. So I ran into a wall. All right, here it goes. All right, so this third one, I found you can't get enough run in unless you kind of cheat and go up this hill. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I still might not make it. Alrighty, time to hit the green line, which is a few rollers and then one jump. All right, here comes the blue line. All right, here comes double blue. Time to go outside. All right, so I went outside and you may have noticed that I didn't do the black diamond indoor line. And a little behind the scenes, my brother does the video production for this. So he'll probably include in this video the fact that I bid it face first twice on the green circle. But that contributed to me chickening out on the black diamond. And also I did a run up and the gap between the bridge and the start of the jumps was huge. I don't think I can make it. So I'm gonna go back to my natural element, which is the green line. All right, so I try to hit the brakes once on the third turn and squash the first two rollers. So brake here and then lay off. All right, so squash this and this, and then holy crap, I overshot all of those. That wasn't the case on my enduro bike. Oh my God. So I can probably go slower. All right, I'm gonna give the blue line a shot. I'm a little worried. I have done it before and I think it's like gap jumps, which I'm scared of, but you know, can't get better if you don't try. Here we go. Yeah, nope. I'll have to do a redemption video once I actually learn how to get air. All right, so both on my enduro bike and the dirt jumper, the blue line proved to be too much. Overall, I would say that the dirt jumper does get in the air better. Landings are so harsh. I really missed the full squish at this point later in the day, but anyway, I don't want to end the day off on a bad note, so I'm gonna go back to the green line and hit it as fast as humanly possible and scare myself with the amount of air I get. All right, last run of the day, back to the green line. I just want to get a ridiculous amount of air. Let's do it. All right, well, that was the biggest crash I've ever had, so call it a day. Super thirsty though. Hey, so I'm back from today's trip and I'm about to enjoy a beer. You guessed it, it's an IPA. This is called Tongueshlap, S-H-L-A-P, from Jester King, which is a well-known and very awarded brewery out of Austin, Texas. This is a double dry hop 6.8% alcohol by volume IPA that's got Laurel hops, which Stone has used quite extensively in recent years. It's got Galaxy, which is my favorite hop, and it also has Sabro. Sabro is a really interesting, really impressive hop because it tastes like coconut. And you wouldn't think that beer could taste like coconut, especially a hop making a coconut taste. But anyways, here it is in the glass. Looks like a New England hazy IPA, completely opaque, really, really light yellow, so it could be a lighter flavored thing. We'll see. Smells like, ooh, funky. This has some like wild yeast. It almost smells like a sour opera. I bet they have the same yeast that they use in some other beers that are known for being a little funkier. This smells funky. It reminds me of Hoof Hearted, which, that's right, there's a brewery called Hoof Hearted. Yeah, they smell like this too. So this will be interesting and more complex than maybe I initially thought. So let's check it out. Cheers. So I do get the Sabro thing. It's actually kind of, well, I was gonna say restrained, but no, this tastes like a pina colada. I mean, this is pineapple, lemon, coconut. Tastes like I'm in Puerto Rico or something. Very tropical, like very obviously coconutty. But it is light. This is a good summer IPA, a good post-ride IPA. This is Jester King's Tongueshlap IPA. I just like saying that. But I also like drinking this, so I do recommend this out of Austin, Texas. Get yourself some of this. And cheers, until next ride.